Good morning, students. This is Priyanka Bansal from SKM Public School. Students, today we are going to start a topic that is related to small scale business, or you can say related to small business. Okay, as in the earlier video we have discussed about the intellectual property and rights related to intellectual property, and today we will discuss about the small scale business. So what is small scale business or small business? A business which operates on a small scale means which is not expanded at a large level and required less capital. Mainly the business which is having less capital, less labor and less machines is called small business. Okay, the goods are purchased, or we can say produced, on a small scale. As we know that if there is less capital, less labor, less machines, automatically there will be less production. The business is operated and managed by the owner of the business only. As a sole proprietor, we have discussed in the forms of that business organization. In that we have discussed about the sole proprietor. Like that only we can say that this business will be managed by the owner of the business only. So in India, the village and the small industry sector consist of both traditional handlooms, handicrafts, khadi and village industries. Modern small industries and the small scale industries are power looms. Okay, that we can say that the traditional small scale business is related to handlooms, handicrafts, khadi and village industries, and the modern small scale industries are related to power looms, and we can give the name to small scale industries. Okay, so, according to the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Act, which Act? Micro, Small and the Medium Enterprise Development Act, MSMED Act 2006, a small scale enterprise defined as one where the investment in plant and machinery is more than 25 lakh but does not exceed 5 crore. Okay, as per the MSMED Act 2006, what will be regarded as small scale enterprise in which the investment is in the plant and machinery is more than 25 lakh but it should not cross to the 5 crore. Okay, several parameters can be used to measure the size of a business. It can include the number of persons employed in the business, capital invested, volume of the output, power consumed for the business activities. On the basis of these activities we can judge the size of the business, and we can define that it is small scale enterprise or not. Okay, so as per MSMED Act, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Act, that the investment in the plant and machinery should be more than 25 lakh and less than 5 crore. The definitions used by the Government of India to describe small scale industries is based on the investment in plant and machinery, and this we will discuss with the help of this table. Okay, so first of all I have given the categories micro, small and the medium. Okay, so in this also there is category related to manufacturing unit or the service provided. Okay, so here we will discuss the difference between these, that micro enterprises which are involved in the process of manufacturing will be having the investment in the plant less than 25 lakhs, and the which are involved as a service provider, their investment will be less than 10 lakh. Okay, this is related to micro enterprise. Okay, then next is related to small enterprise. In this it will be between rupees 25 lakh to 5 crore. Okay, in the small enterprise the investment in the plant and machinery will be 25 lakh to 5 crore. It will be in case of manufacturing unit, and in the service provider unit it will be 10 lakh to 2 crore. Okay, manufacturing unit के अंदर कितनी है 25 lakh to 5 crore, and in service providing unit it will be 12 lakh to 2 crore. And in the medium enterprise the investment in the manufacturing unit will be 5 crore to 10 crore, and in the service providers it will be 2 crore to 5 crore. Okay, so this is the that we can say that the base given for the we can say to recognize the level or the size, or to recognize the type of the enterprise. So now we will discuss the role of small scale industries in socio-economic development of India. Okay, so first of all, it is helpful in generating the employment. As we know that the small scale industries are second largest employers of human resource after agriculture. First is agriculture, which is providing uh, that employment, and the second largest employers are that small scale industry. It has 95% of the industrial unit in the country. These enterprises are labor intensive, and the labor is available in abundant amounts in rural areas of India. Labor intensive means that in this the work and the manufacturing process will be done by the labor, not by the machines. Okay, and we know that there is too much persons available in rural areas, or we can say in the India, who are unemployed. Okay, so small scale industries are giving employment to the that persons who are unemployed. Next is related to that it provides a variety of products. Small scale industries produce an enormous variety of goods that are related to ready-made garments, stationery, soaps, leather goods, plastic, rubber goods. So it has the production of that various goods. Okay, in this not only that few goods are produced, there is variety of products which are produced in the small scale industries. Next is related to export facility, that the share of product from small scale industries, SSI, is small scale industries is 45% of the total exports from India. Means it is giving the contribution in the export of India is near about 45%. So it earned valuable foreign exchange and solve the problem of balance of payment. We know that 45% is that means a lot, and it gives the valuable contribution to the foreign exchange. Next, that it is helpful in balanced regional development, because small scale industries can be set anywhere in the country, and it is using the local resources, and with the, it requires the less capital, and that less or simple technology, so it can be established anywhere, even in the rural areas also, and it will provide the balanced regional development. Because if the small scale industries are established in the rural areas, so the persons of rural areas will get the employment, and their living standard will be improved. And it is complementary to large scale industries. This we know very well, that small scale industries supplies various types of components, spare parts, tools, which are required by the large scale enterprises. Okay, the enterprises which are working at the large level, whose capital is very large, and they are using modern level and modern technology, high technology, even they need the small scale industries, because the parts, the tools which are used by the large scale industries are produced by the small scale industries. It is having the low cost of production also, because in this the local resources are used, and the local resources makes their availability at the cheaper rates. Okay, so in this the cost of production for the products occurs less as comparison to large scale industries. Next, it is helpful in quick and timely decisions. Due to the small size of the organization, the decisions will be taken quickly, and there will be less time wastage, because the owner is managing the business, and we know that the small scale industries are managed by the owners, and so the decisions will be taken quickly. Okay, so it will be, we can take the both points, that it is good in a positive way also, that it will give the quick decisions, but in some ways there is chances of wrong decisions also, but here we are taking it positively. Okay, so next is that it is helpful in the development of entrepreneurship also, as in the starting of this chapter only I have told you that entrepreneurship is helpful in creating the wealth by making the changes as per the need of the environment, and the small scale industries provide opportunity of the young men and women to start their own business. We know that enterprise word is used for the business which is has been started or established for the first time. So if a person wants to start, and man or woman wants to start their own business, in that small scale industries, or we can say small scale business, is very helpful, because in this the capital required is less, and labor required is also less. So the amount, the amount which will be required to start a business, that will be less. So a person or the fresher who wants to establish their own business, as for them small scale is the best option. So students, today tomorrow we will continue with this topic only. See this video, make notes, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.